Hello friends, welcome to my channel Real Growth Tech Digital Marketing. Today's topic is about SEO Chrome extension. So in this digital marketing era, SEO plays very important role to bring your business online on the top. So this SEO Chrome extension helps a lot in finding the errors in your website SEO. So if you properly do the SEO of your website, it helps in bringing your website on the top in search engine. This Chrome extension not only identifies errors in website SEO, it also suggests you to do the SEO in a proper manner. Let's go to my laptop screen and discuss in detail about this particular SEO Chrome extension. This is my laptop screen. Go to the Google Chrome. Go to the search bar, type Chrome Web Store. Chrome Web Store. Click on the first link. Here in the search bar, type SEO Quake. Quake. See. SEO Quake. Select this. See the first one, SEO Quake. Double click on this. The tool name is SEO Quake, a powerful SEO tool for your browser. See, it performs all the key important features of SEO, like key SEO metrics, backlink, traffic ads, keyword difficulty, on-page SEO, SERP overlay, complete information it will give you in one Chrome extension. Here, I have already downloaded to my desktop. After installing the SEO extension, go to the extension bar here, click on the bar, scroll down here, see, it's already downloaded, extension SEO Quake. Click here to enable it. Click here. Once you click on enable it, it will show the icon like this. So to test how this extension works, go to the search bar, type any of your website choice. I will type my own website, realgrowthtech.online. So this is my website. I will show you how I have made SEO and how this SEO Quake extension helps to identify the errors in my SEO. Here, go to the extension bar here, click on icon. See the new bar, new page will open here. You can also connect with SEMrush if you have account. Otherwise, here go to page information. So in this page, it shows the page information of this particular website page. See the title showing digital marketing agency, meta description, how much internal links are there in this particular page, external link 26, server GSE. Like this, scroll down, it will show the page information, backlinks, how much backlinks are there, what is the domain authority is there, complete information. Scroll down, if you scroll down, it is showing the keyword density, complete information, total number of words, Y31, what is the keywords you are using in particular page, complete information it will show. Again, go to the diagnosis. See, in diagnosis, it will show the complete information of your website, URL. It's showing right mark. Canonical tag is page and link is working fine. It is showing complete information how your website is working, how your SEO you have done. Title, okay. Meta description sheet. It is showing a meta description of 149 character average, most optimal 160-300 character. It's also giving the tips for you also. I will show you how. See, in headings. In headings, it is showing some error. We suggest implementing HTML headings. So if you want the tips, you click on this. See, it will provide you the tips how to improve your website SEO. You can include keywords in your headings. The initial headings H1 should include your best keywords. Use only the H1 headings per page will strengthen your SEO. See how this extension helps you to identify the errors. Also suggest you to improve error by providing tips. See, images, it is showing right. Text, HTML is having some errors. It's also showing the tips. According to the tips, you follow the instruction, your website will improve SEO. Flash, not detected. Micro format, schema.org, open graph, Twitter card, complete information it will provide. If it finds any error, it will provide tips for your website SEO. So totally, this page audit shows 13 passed result, 3 errors, and 6 warnings. According to the report of this Chrome extension, you can improve your website SEO by following these all tips provided by this extension. Next, go to the internal. See, in this page, you will find how many links are there in this particular page for this website. Totally having 41, no follow 0, images 10, text 30, forms 1. It is showing the complete internal links details of this particular page, website. Next, click on external. So in external, it is showing total links of 26. Out of that, follow 22 or do follow 22 links, no follow 4. Images 1, text 70. It's showing complete information of that particular page. Next, go to the density. Next, go to density. Here you will find how many words you are using in this particular page. What is the keyword counts? It is showing the keyword density of total words of 538, 75 phrase words, 76 phrase different words, and what are all the keywords you are using in this particular page in your website. See, it is showing the report of how many words you are repeating. Marketing 22 times you have repeated, density 4.9, and performance is 59%. Like that, for each word, it is showing the performance and how many repetitions are there in particular page in your website. You should complete information of the keyword density. 2-word phrase, 3-word phrase, like complete information. 4-word phrase, and original text which you have used in your website. Next, go to compare URLs. In this page, you can compare the different URLs of your particular website. Example, this is showing https://www.realgrowthtech.online.com. If you want to compare the URL of different pages in your website, go to your website, click on this page, article, copy this link, go to the extension, paste it here, and click on process URL. See, this is complete showing a report of different pages. Like this, if you want to compare your website to any other competitor website, you can also do it by using this extension.
Thanks for watching my video, realgrowthtech Digital Marketing. I hope this video helps a lot in understanding about this particular SEO extension and how this SEO extension helps in identifying errors in your website SEO and also suggest you to do the SEO in a proper manner. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, comment to my channel. In future also I will bring same kind of video which will enhance your knowledge. Thank you. Bye bye.